everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make omurice. Omurice is a combination of egg omelette, rice and ketchup. Omelette and ketchup. These two are never traditional Japanese food, but we imported those two and put them together with rice to make omurice. And omurice is so popular that you can find it even at 7-Eleven. Let me show you how to make it. These are what you need. Rice, it's about 4 rice bowls. Some sausage, 1 onion, shimeji mushroom, green pepper, 4 eggs, 4 tablespoons of ketchup, half a teaspoon salt and pepper. At first, I'm going to chop up the vegetable. You can do it with knife, but today let's cheat and use food processor. Let's cut it into 4. Like this, and I'm going to take it out in a bowl to do the other 2 vegetables. Green peppers. Cut it into half and remove piece and season everything inside. Let's cut them in half. And chop. Like this. Take it out into the bowl. Shimeji mushroom. Cut the bottom off. Just break it into pieces and put it into the food processor and chop. Like this. So the vegetables are ready. Now sausage, you just slice it. The thickness. Today it's sausage, but you can use ham or bacon or chicken, whatever you like. Heat up some vegetable oil in a wok or frying pan. Let's pan fry this vegetable and sausage. Vegetable and sausage are all cooked, so I'm adding salt and pepper and ketchup. And just keep sauteing it to cook off the moisture in the ketchup. In here, I'm adding rice. Rice, sausage, and vegetable are all mixed. Turn the heat off and put it aside. Prepare a small non-stick skillet and heat up some oil. Beat 1 egg in a small bowl like this. Put it in the skillet. Turn the skillet around to make thinly cooked crepe-like egg. When the egg is almost cooked, let's add 1/4 of the rice on top of the egg crepe and try to wrap the rice using the egg crepe. Like this. Prepare a serving plate and flip it over. Let's put some extra ketchup on top. Omurice is good to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!